designed and well curated, beautiful modern amenities. এই মুহূর্তে 24 আওয়ার্স টিভি চ্যানেল আমরা পৌঁছে গেছি কুকা হোমের, আর সেখানে রয়েছে দারুণ সুন্দর কিছু ফার্নিচার্স আর মডার্ন অ্যামেনিটিস দিয়ে সাজানো আপনার ঘরকে সুন্দর করে সাজিয়ে তোলার ওয়ান স্টপ সলিউশন কুকা হোম।
My name is Shrivar Poddar and I am a part of the Kuka Home for the Eastern region.
Special Kuka Home is providing over here in Abbott Interior 2020.
So Kuka Home, as the name is very world renowned globally, it happens to be world number 1 when it comes to premium leather sofas and world number 3 when it comes to upholstered furniture. So of course when there are these particular standings, it has to live up to them. So when we bought this Kuka Home back to Kolkata, we introduced it here, we actually, raised a lot of expectations as well as eyeballs. So what we have to do over here is we aim to provide premium sofas, luxury at a, more accessible way so that we are able to utilize our manufacturing prowess that we have, which is over 20 million square feet.
What message you would love to convey for Abbott?
For Abbott 2025, the message that I would love to convey is that, we should continue to innovate and inspire others. Like all the other stalls over here, there is so much to learn from me, especially as a 19-year-old today. There's incredibly a lot of, experience and exposure that I can garner over here.
So at Kuka Homes, we have understood the importance of Abbott and brought in some select exclusive designs right from the headquarters in China. And these designs are some made out of duck feather and with exclusive comfort. We have the best mechanisms which are soundless and brings your body to the zero gravity pose, and you are in total relaxation when you are sitting on the sofa. All our sofas come with a warranty of 3 years, which is provided officially from the brand, and then we are there to take care of the service for the rest of the life of the product. And all our designs are basically curated by a team of designers who are from Italy, Spain, France, America and Germany, and they are working in tandem with the designers in China where our headquarters lies, and that's how we are able to create world-class products, and that too keeping the Indian palate in mind. Abbott has been a wonderful experience. We've had amazing footfalls, a lot of eyeballs, and there's a lot of business also we've converted, which is very inspiring, very promising for us, and we look forward to participating again in the next year, and we congratulate Abbott and the entire executive committee for doing such a fab job. Sumit Poddar, and with me my co-founder Mr. Rishi Bajaj. Thank you so much.
Message is that they have given a good opportunity for all the exhibitors to see their product to the public and to promote more and do more better. Is always better for always less. So they have done excellent job, and I would like to request the people of Calcutta and Bengal to come and see what products we are offering, entire exhibition, so they can have a feel of it. That is the message we can give.
Special message.
Special message is that be happy and have a sofa and have a comfort and live life exclusively.
Your name?
I am Rishi Bajaj, the co-founder of Kuka Home by Incasa.
Your valuable words and time.
You are taking a bite and seeing the product and appreciating. Thank you so much.